Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Genshin Impact account. So if you have been using Genshin Impact for a certain while and playing a lot of anime themed games, but you no longer want to be using this account, this is the video that you need to follow in order to learn how to do that. First of all, for this, head over to your web browser and make sure you're already on a page that says genshin.mihoyo.com. After doing this, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can see that on the top right corner there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. After you tap on it, on the lowermost section you can see either your username or your email being displayed. Tap on it, where you will be redirected towards a page that will give you your account information. On this page too, you can see that on the top left corner there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it and then go to account security settings. As you go to account security settings, different options will be available to you. Scroll downwards until you find the option that says delete account. Tap on delete account, and what will happen is that your processing for the deletion of accounts will be carried on and you can delete your account. As of me, I cannot currently delete my account because it says here that I've recently changed my password and also modified my linked information, so that will potentially lead me towards a seriousness of theft or banning the account. That's the reason why I'm not able to delete at the moment, but you can always go there and then carry on with the process of deleting your account. So this is basically how you can delete your account on Genshin Impact. If you deleted your own account by using these same procedures, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.